Hello mga ka-Facebook. Ayan, dito na naman ang inyong songman para sa song request. At may iba naman tayo ngayon. Ayan, dati sa song request, nagigitara ako. Tapos ngayon, eto na, nauwi na sa video okay dahil yung gitara ko napatid na yung kwerdas. At sa kasamaang palad, wala akong mabilhan dito sa lugar namin. Kaya, eto, idadaan na lang natin sa video okay to para hindi maputol yung mga song request na napipending. Okay, at pinabati ko si si Maridel Domingo, ayan, dyan sa Taiwan, yung nag-request nitong song na I Never Thought That I Could Love. At yung kanyang boyfriend na si JJ, ayan, Jay, para daw sa'yo to. Kaya alay daw sa'yo tong song na to. Ay, sana mag-enjoy kayong dalawa. I never thought. Get that you can't believe that you were real. How did I ever found you? You are the dream that saved my life. You are the reason I survive. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, that it's true. I need you. I love you. Can I hold you? Girl, you smile, lights up the sky. You are too beautiful for you and I. You are the dream that never dies. You are the fire that burns inside. Baby, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. Oh, I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. Shining in the sky, you are the sparkle in my eyes. Oh, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. It's crazy, but it's true. I never thought someone as much as I need you. I love you. Thank you, Miss Maridel Domingo of Taiwan.